Good morning and welcome to the windy town of Bundoran, which is the most southerly town in Donegal and pretty world famous for its surfing, but not so much today. It's very calm out there. It's windy all right, but there's no waves, so I don't see nobody's going to be out doing some early morning surfing. And also I'm here in the middle of February, so there's not many crowds, there's nobody about really. So I thought we'd just go for a little walk along the coast. So my plan yesterday was to visit Donegal town, but I started to run out of time because driving through Fermanagh and Tyrone, there's big stretches, it's beautiful scenery, but there's big stretches of nothing as well in between. So I said I'd make my way to Bundoran from Enniskillen. I was too tired to go all the way to Donegal town. So we're going to make our way south now today. Instead of going back up towards Donegal, I'll have to do Donegal another time. And Donegal is such a large county and there's so much to see, you nearly need your own its own little road trip rather than what I'm trying to do. So I've made my way to Bundoran and then I'll be going to Glenriff Horseshoe. I wanted to get in a bit of a walk in the morning. So my road trip so far has brought me through Armagh, Derry, Tyrone, Donegal, Fermanagh, and today hopefully we'll make it down to Mayo. So I was looking this up. This was a monument built in 2000, and at some stage it does line up with the sun, which would come through here, but I don't know what solstice or when it is. So it's not an ancient one, but it's like done in an ancient style. And it lines up with the sun. So I did come to see the sunrise, but it's not like yesterday. There's no clear skies here, so we won't be seeing that. But we'll do a bit of a loop walk. But Bundoran is a small town and famous for surfing. Now there's another place recently, I can't remember the town, I'm not sure if it was here, that was on the news because of the size of the waves that were coming along. And there was surfers from around the world. So the west coast, I know Kerry is very popular as well, probably parts of Donegal, because obviously the Atlantic Ocean out there can be fairly strong at times. Obviously makes some big waves. I tried surfing once in Gran Canaria, but I was really bad, couldn't stand up. Not really great in the water in general, but that was my only time, and I absolutely hate the cold, so I don't think I'd survive doing it here. So this is just a little chit chat. Please take away 3 pieces of plastic every time you visit the beach. That's a good idea. And there's a little beach there. The tide's fairly in, so there's not much in the way of beach. So I thought I'd jump on. I don't have that much history around the place. It's just a small beach town. Everything's closed because it's winter, and it's 7:30 in the morning. But I'm on midterm break, I'm on a week-long break, so that's why I decided to go out and do this little road trip, find a few locations, new and old, to visit, and see what I see really. There's Bundoran and the bigger beaches. We'll do a loop and make our way back into town. Bundoran is quite popular during the summer. People coming from all over to enjoy the beach and go surfing. And the water park when it's open, but there's no water park at the minute. Now I stayed in a nice hotel, but the pillows were not comfortable, and it was €100 for the middle of February. So I don't know. Breakfast was included, but I don't know if that's good value or not, because I was feeling during peak season then it's stupid money, because €100 for winter time at a beach seemed like a lot to me. They're probably one of the more famous pictures of Bundoran, the coloured houses. Oh, that's cold. But we'll go and get a shower. Get out of here. I was going to walk a little further along the main road there, but it's too cold, so I'm going to make my way over to those mountains in the distance and hopefully see something by. I have a feeling it's going to be very overcast. We might not get a good view of the Sligo Mountains, but we'll do our best. Right, we'll leave it there. Thanks for joining me on my cold and windy morning walk.